is up going? What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add custom DarkRP jobs to your server on GMOD. Now, to the owner of the server, if you're watching this, the owner of the server that I have staff on, I do not own a server. I don't even, have a server folder. I just have past experience, so that's how I know, and I thought I'd tell some people what I know. So let's get right into it. So first thing is, so you gotta go to your browser and then go to download this file called DarkRP modification. The page, the link will be down in the description, and you'll see the page on screen right now. So what you want to do is you'll be at this page, and then once you're here, you want to click clone or download, and then click on download zip. And yeah, wait for it to download, and then you'll be set. And as you can see now, which once you've done that, you also need to go to the link down in the description below that. It will be the DarkRP custom job template. You want to copy the first bit. You'll see it on screen where you've got to copy. Okay, so once you're at this page, you just want to highlight up to here. You can do excess, you can read down below all the other options you can paste in. We're just going to do the bare bones of it. Okay, and now now see what you gotta do next. Okay, and now once you've done that, all you gotta do is go to where your downloads is, and you'll have DarkRP modification here. Now what you're gonna do is obviously gonna cut it or just move it, if depending what you like to do. I would cut it, and basically you could just copy and paste it where. But so cut it, go to where your server folder is. Mine usually be here, but I don't have it. It'll be GMOD server or whatever you called it. Then go to Gary's mod when you're in it, then add-ons and copy and paste DarkRP modification. Now once you're in here, open up this, go to Lua, go to DarkRP underscore custom things, and once you've done this, go to jobs.lua. And I use edit with Notepad++, but you can use Notepad. I recommend Notepad++. Link will be down in the description for Notepad++ download. It's free and it's really good. And now once you're here, you'll see something like this. If you're using Notepad++, it'll be slightly different, but not too different on Notepad++. I'll just show you what it looks like. As you can see, it'll be like that. It's a little harder to see, so I would recommend getting Notepad++, but if you're good at it, you might be able to do it. Now, once you've done this, you're just gonna press enter and then copy and paste the code that I told you to paste, and then Control V, which I don't have pasted. Hang on. Okay, now once we've done this, there we go. It'll be like this. So you can remove the max. So say you want 3 people to have this, okay, at the most. So dash basically means, like in Lua code, is basically disabled to tell you what that is, to be honest. Now the description, as you can see, this is what you want to change this name to, so this text will serve. Now I'm just gonna hold this, go to shift click, and then left click. Now you can type in he protects from the city from criminals. Okay, and now once you've done this, you'll see something like this. Now you can do example team. So that's basically what the job will be called. So I'm just gonna call it SWAT. You can change the color. Now um, I'd recommend just going on to Google right here. Just going into Google and then search it up. Um, I'd go to thecodingbeast.com. Awesome, awesome website that I'll put the link down in the description. And now you go to tools, which is apparently being moved to CS site. Now you could do, now you go to, where is it? The job generator. And then once you're here, now you could pick this and it'll come up with this, and as you can see it'll have a code, and you want to just copy this code. So I'm gonna pick the blue, obviously because it's a SWAT. And I'm gonna Control C. You can even make your job here, and then if you want it to be like a VIP job, I'd recommend using this if you're new, but if you want to try it my way, then follow me. And then if you're doing this way and you want to make it VIP only, what you need to do is go over to where it says custom check generator. And once you're done here, now you're gonna go to choose restricted to pass the check. But I'm gonna do visible for everyone. This job, like, you can have this, and you could just pick like method jobs. You could do groups and everything, and then you can do team. Now team, it will be like, say if it was team underscore. So if you were a citizen, it will be team underscore like police for the this, and then you could do generate code, and that would be the code right there. This, you cannot have this, and you would paste it along, like maybe here, and then you'll paste that code, which would be, and it would look like this. Okay, but I'm not gonna have that. Right, so now once you've done this, now you want to get the model. So I'm gonna go over back to this site because the Coder Beast, and you're gonna go player model list. If you want a, if you want a custom model, all you gotta do is simply go to desktop, go to tools, uh don't know if I have it. I'll make another video on it, but if you want to just use a template like this one, you're gonna click on the model you want. You're gonna go copy, edit the model, and the model will be that. And if you want both, like options, then you could go copy and do this one. So you'll have options on what model you want. And now once you've done that, you're gonna go weapon underscore add. You could add weapons by going to your Gmod, holding Q, go to weapons, and then pick the weapon you want, and then hold Q, right click on it, and click copy to clipboard, and then you paste it in, and it will be like, if it was a custom weapon, it would be like, if it was a sweat, it would be sweat underscore something, but if it's just a normal weapon, it would be weapon underscore sub, whatever the name is. So obviously it will be a caps, and then the command will be, you don't do the slash, because you'll have to do slash slash, and it doesn't make sense. So all you gotta do is basically just do is SWAT. Now when you're in game, you'll do slash SWAT. Now the salary is what you earn every often. So if it's a high rank cadet, you want to make it like a little bit more than the others. So it's basically how much you get hourly. And then the admin is basically, I think number 1 is admins, and number 2 is super admins, and number 3 is Archon. So we're gonna keep that 0 so everybody can have it, and you can make it a vote. For police, I would do true, and then for the license, I would do true. Now, if you you almost forgot, you gotta change this. We're gonna make it team underscore police. Okay. And now that you've done this, like if you want to use my code that I just did right here, it'll be down in the description below. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smack that like button, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.